Community Climate Action Network, Tamaki Makoto, welcomes you to our April Hui Speaker Spotlight.
Hello, so nice to meet you. My name's Ravi. I go by Ravi the Poet. Is the audio kind of doing it fun? Yes, so nice to meet you. I love performing. I love making art. But what I really love is performing art that matters, and I don't get to do it enough, so thank you for making things that matter. I think a lot. I think a lot, and it's a blessing and a curse. The blessing is I get to look around and see all the beautiful wonder in the world. And the curse is I look around and I see all the problems in the world. And the two things that help me is writing and bike rides. And okay, so two things that help me are writing and bike rides. And so on a very thoughtful evening, I started writing an essay about going on a bike ride, seeing all the wonder, thinking about problems, and realizing, okay. And tell me about following and stuff. Louder? Oh, wait, each drop. Okay, so. I sit and watch the night sky. I wonder why life flies by. I saw last night I was just a little kid, then I blinked a little bit, turned to a wise guy. Light doesn't come with the warmth, suddenly it's morning, yet another sunrise. Oh right, every dawn is a sure sign we all die, but I try and make more of your time. Alright, bet I'll get out of my head, I'll try, clear my mind with the bike ride. I bend the wrist, I'm heading out of my drive. 2 wheels and a hill's how I fly. So don't die to the booties on the high rides. Yeah, they're fine, but not my die. Cause I like where the grass grows thigh high, needs a little hole full of wildlife. Okay, I'm climbing uphill, okay? Okay, top of the hill. As that comes, I feel luckier than most. I look around, I don't need to boast. But oh my goodness. Say again. As that comes, I feel luckier than most. I look around, I don't need to boast. I live in the suburbs, so the only kind of trouble is, I don't know, I can think of those. But we live in a bubble, treading the same path. Pavements, the track, and our feet are the train. Cars, kids on and clay in the streets and the main parks. Can we go back to where we're part of nature? I don't know, but I kinda hope as we build our homes, we can keep the trees on fire, cause we're my door. I hope my childhood knows simple things, the peace leaves in the window bread, and the beauty in the bird's song. I don't know if we live wrong. Maybe most of our space is reserved for patrol cars. Don't need to hit, we deserve to reload. Trying to escape with the cyberspace, but if ever just a nicer place, can we try again? Cause you know one day when we have VR, the paint every pixel to look like where we are. But I can't even try pretend to act like I have answers in. I'm just a lyricist, but if I ended up as president, I put a tariff on environmental terrorists. Like, if your product has the plastograph, that's $100,000. Or you should come back with another flat. It's the CEO, please understand, I know they're mad, but we really don't have another plan. Damn it. I tried to write about a bike ride. Now I gotta go for a bike ride. To the winds on the high rise underneath the bright sky. And the sunshine. Right?
Oh yes, wasn't Ravi the Poet amazing?
Alright.
That is made with a song that I wrote for this project called Move Mountains. And is that not enough? All right. And yeah, it's about working together, basically. And when we work together, then we can move mountains, and we can be like our ancestors were, doing amazing feats. Okay, let's get going. Everybody wanna save the world. Living by the future for a boy and girl, and in between, and rising temperatures are concerned. Well, not as long as ever fossil fuels slave to burn. Everybody wanna save their souls. Again, how much faith does it take to change a light bulb? So distracted by some tainted schools. We need to act as one on a global front to save our homes. Ooh, but we can move mountains, wild oceans, catch the sun and ride the storms. Needs to move mountains, wild oceans, catch this sun and ride the storms. And we can move mountains, wild oceans, and catch the sun and ride the storms. We gotta move now, yeah, move now. We better move now. When we see the mornings, can you hear the calling? Everybody wanna wisen up. Haven't we always known as a but so below, starting with us? Oh, we don't need to hit the self-destruct. We can get back in touch with what first began. Seeing the long new, and together we can move mountains. Auditions, catch the sun and ride the storms. We used to move mountains, ride oceans, catch the sun and ride the storms. And we can move mountains, ride oceans, catch the sun and ride the storms. We gotta move now, yeah, move now. We better move now. When we see the mornings, when we need the cooling, when the waves are forming and the clouds go away, when the rain start falling and the fire scorching and the rich are holding and the proud are snoring, the tears are warming. Yeah, we can move now, yeah, move now, really. Alright, see, this is the talk, baby. We just get you all to clap, see if you can find the beat. There it is. Oh yeah, you got it. You can say to do so maybe you just do, people start joining in. So that's what music can do. And on the front line, when we'll do it together, and we can move mountains, wide oceans, catch the sun, ride the sun, move mountains, wide oceans, catch the sun, ride the sun, move mountains, wide oceans, catch the sun, ride the storm, move now, move now, move now, move now. Can you see the warnings? Thank you so much.
Wow. Thank you so much. Ema Ravi.
Community Climate Action Network, Tamaki Makoto.